Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix a British Gas smart meter not showing gas. First, check the display on your smart meter or in-home display. If you see a message saying waiting for data, the meter may have lost its connection. Now check whether there has been a power cut in your area. You can do this by testing your lights and appliances or by asking a neighbor if they also have no power. If you're using a prepayment meter, make sure you still have credit available. Check the meter display for any warning lights or low credit messages and top up the meter if necessary. If you have a credit meter and nothing in your home is working, check your fuse box. Make sure all trip switches are in the on position. After that, check whether the meter has entered sleep mode. For an electricity meter, press the A button on the front of the meter. For a gas meter, press the button on the front of the meter to wake it up. Wait a few moments and see if the display starts updating again. Now check your in-home display. Sometimes the gas meter may still be working correctly even though the display has temporarily lost connection. Give it a few minutes to reconnect and update the gas readings. If the gas usage still isn't showing, consider whether you have a first-generation smart meter. These were commonly installed before the summer of 2019. You may also have a first-generation meter if there is a white Trilliant hub attached to your electricity meter. If you've recently switched energy suppliers, a first-generation smart meter may have lost some smart features, including automatic communication. In that case, you may need to submit manual meter readings temporarily until the meter is upgraded or reconnected. If you've recently had a smart meter installed, your first bill may sometimes be estimated while the system gathers enough usage data. This is usually corrected automatically on a future bill. After checking all of these steps, if your gas meter is still not displaying usage or remains stuck on a waiting for data message, contact British Gas for further investigation. They can check the connection status remotely and arrange additional support if needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.